Next Level Mindset here with another powerful and positive video. Let's talk about 3 big mistakes most content creators and YouTubers don't even know they're making because YouTube changed again. I'm going to share my insight, research that I've done with that. And if you stay with this video all the way through, I've got some bonus points, insights, extra strategies. You do not want to miss this. By the fact that you're watching and listening to this right now, this is your confirmation. You're going to avoid certain mistakes. This is an early bonus point. Number 1, YouTube is always changing. And it's not so important how many times we upload our videos. It's about having videos that our viewers really enjoy. We'll talk more about that as we get into this. And the first mistake YouTubers make because YouTube changed again, it is not asking for subscribers, not asking for some type of call to action. A lot of times when people log on to YouTube, they're not really thinking about subscribing. They're not really thinking about hitting the like button. What they are thinking about is, are they enjoying the video? Are they satisfied with what they're watching? So it's important for us to ask for it. And it took me a while on my channel when I relaunched my channel to really believe in myself enough to ask people to subscribe to my channel. And it can be something so simple, just like maybe you're uploading something in your videos about how to upload something. While it's processing, you can say something like, and by the way, if you're enjoying this and you want to enjoy more of my videos, make sure you subscribe. Then you just go on about what you're doing. It's simple as that. That's just one way that you can ask for a subscriber. I like Infinite Waters, Rap Smart. He'll say something like, if you support the real, hit the like button and share this video out right now if you support what's real, right? So that's giving them a call to action. And a lot of times, one of the mistakes that YouTubers make is they don't ask for a subscribe. They don't ask for that engagement. They don't ask for that call of action. And YouTube changed. They used to just have it where, just hitting the like button sometimes or just making a comment. But now, since the algorithm is being updated, it includes things like how many people subscribe to your channel, how many people like the video that they are enjoying, the surveys that come out, right? They're thinking about how many people are really enjoying it. So one of the main things that I've learned to do now is I've learned to just ask for people to take a certain action. And if you ask them after giving value, you always want to give value first. So when you give that value, then you ask for the subscribe or for the like button, they're more likely to do that. Keep that in mind as you continue to grow your channel. Always ask for that in engagement, because if you ask for it, you might just get it. And by the way, if this is your first time here or you've been here before and you haven't subscribed, subscribe to the channel if you want to stay inspired and empowered together. We would love to have you here as a part of Next Level. The next mistake that YouTubers make because YouTube changed again is not making content creation a lifestyle. I've learned to change certain habits, change certain structures and different techniques to make making videos a part of my life. And one thing that a lot of content creators don't do, they don't calculate the time that they're going to spend making videos. A lot of them don't even decide if they're going to really enjoy making videos. It's really important to be something that you really enjoy. If you're going to be in this thing for the long term, what I found in my life along my journey is to make it part of my life. For example, right before I recorded this video, I was timing myself. How long does it take to prepare everything? My microphone, my lights, my backdrop, my camera. And you know that the time from point A to point B, I know that it's going to take a certain amount of time to do that. And I've incorporated that into my lifestyle. I know certain days that I have certain things to do where my energy is high enough to really record videos. One of the mistakes that YouTubers make, because see, YouTube is changing now. It's not so much about how many uploads you make. Remember, we talked about that. It's not so important how many times you publish a video. Nowadays, it's more about how often are your viewers watching and really how do they really enjoy it. And so when I decided to relaunch my channel, I said I'm going to make this part of my lifestyle. Everything that I do around my YouTube channel, I'm going to include it as a part of my life in this for the long term. So consider that, keep that in mind. The next time you get ready to make your next video, start asking yourself, how can I include certain aspects of this as part of my lifestyle so everything becomes balanced? Everything that I do, there's a balance to it, enabling me to improve on my content creation, take it to the next level. And if you're part of the family, you already know that's how we like to do it to get it done. Next Level Mindset. That's where it's at. The next mistake YouTubers make, because YouTube changed again, is not keeping videos unlisted, maybe private on the shelf. They want to make every video that they record public. What I've learned to do is take some of those videos, keep them unlisted, maybe for a rainy day. There's been plenty of times, even on my channel, where I took 2 or 3 weeks off, but nobody really knew it because I always had different videos on the shelf waiting for certain times. All I had to do was press publish and make them public. And one of the mistakes that YouTubers make is they don't do that. They don't record videos when they have that energy, when they're feeling positive about what they're doing. They don't record in a lump sum and keep 4 or 5 of them unlisted on the shelf. But that's one thing that has helped me along my journey. Never publish everything that you record. I found out that it's so important to keep a few videos unlisted for those times when you may not be able to upload, when you might not be able to record. You always have something that you can just press publish on, that you can just optimize and just give it a fresh look, maybe go back and do some edits to it. But you have some unlisted or private, nobody knows about them. That's going to come in handy on those rainy days. And a lot of people, they make the mistake of not doing that. And if you don't do that, it may throw you off balance, where you have certain weeks where your viewers are not getting anything from you. It's best to go ahead and record a few up front, put them on the shelf for unlisted or private. Then all you got to do is make them public when your next video is scheduled to be released. Now, I've got some extra bonus points that I want to share with you. But first, I just want to share this with you. Gotta tell you about Creative Mix, copyright-free music for all content creators. I've been using them for a while, and they have a great variety of music, different varieties of music, free of charge. So check out Creative Mix. Go to their YouTube channel, subscribe there. Go to creativemix.com, create a free account, start downloading their music, use it in your videos, or just listen behind the scenes. So a big thank you to Nick Nimmin and D Nimmin over at Creative Mix. But if you choose to use them, just tell them Stevon told you about it. And if you are enjoying the content on my channel, consider becoming a member. We have a membership in our Buy Me a Coffee site. You can become a Patreon there, a member there. Enjoy that. Behind the scenes, never seen footage. Buy a coffee. Take one of my books home with you. Any way you want to do it, there's links in the description for you to do just that. So yeah, this first bonus point that I want to share deals with the algorithm. What I've learned from my research, the algorithm is really divided into 2 areas. 1, engagement, and 2, satisfaction. YouTube has really changed. It used to be where you could just click onto some videos, get a bunch of clicks, and register a bunch of views, right? But now they have it where they want to make sure that their viewers are satisfied. They'll do surveys and asking them different questions. How did you really enjoy that video? To make sure that the viewers are satisfied. And then the other thing that the YouTube algorithm is evolving into is engagement. Likes, subscribes, maybe comments on your videos. In fact, leave me a comment, let me know which one of these stands out the most for you. Because that's one thing that YouTube is doing. They're changing an engagement and satisfaction. Another thing to keep in mind, another thing to remember is that YouTube is really rewarding all the channels that are putting into use these new features. And I'll talk more about that with this video right here coming up on the screen. I think that would be great for you to watch next. So check that out. Enjoy it. Thanks again to my subscribers and returning viewers. Hit the like button and share this on your way out. Subscribe if you haven't done that. Stay blessed, stay positive, never give up, always stay true. Until next time, I'll see you on the next level. Peace.